Hello everyone. I hope you all are doing good. Today we are going to learn about ACL in the ServiceNow. Okay, let's start. First of all, I will ask one question. Like when user login into the ServiceNow, the first thing what they will do? The first thing they will do is to interact with the ServiceNow application. This is called application, and whatever it present, this is called module. So type incident. Okay. So if we type the incident, this incident is the application, and also it is called application menu, and this is called as module. Okay. So the question is how ServiceNow decide which user can see which application or module. So like how this is controlled. So mainly this controlled by the role. Okay, so in this we will study about how role control this application and module, and what is ACL. After we completing this application and module, then we will move to the ACL part. Both are interconnected to each other. Okay, so if I ask one question, what roles do? Okay, so roles are used to control visibility of application and module. If user does not have the required role, that they will not even see the application or module in the navigation. It completely invisible to them as if does not exist. So let's take an example. If I open this incident table, like create new, how user can see this application? Let me know, please. Might be net is slow, that's why it is opening late. So how user can see this? See, right now I have admin role. That's why I have all this access. No, just create. First, I will go to user sys user dot list. So see, I open the user page, and here I will create one user. I will give the name Salim is user, and first name Salim, last name Alam, and I will provide some user Salim at the rate gmail.com. As soon as I provided this, now I will save this, and I will provide one role, that is ITL role. Just provide the ITL role and save it. See, I have provided this ITL role, and now I will impersonate. What impersonate is doing, mainly we can check the user have this access or not. The role we provided, or mainly for the testing purpose we use this impersonate user. Now I will type Salim. Let's go to no. I redirect to the impersonate with Salim. No, I will check incident because I have provided the ITL role, so he has this access of incident table, problem and change. How how he is getting this? How he is getting this? How he is able to create this? So first we need to understand how we can give this access of incident. Then we will understand how this thing is working here. Right now it is showing read only. I have written some ACL, or maybe might I have some written business rule. That why it is showing only read only. So user does not have permission to write this. I will let you know in this ACL part. First, back to admin. So for that, I will do in impersonation. No, after doing the impersonation, no, I came back to the my own role, admin role. No, I will type incident. As I will type the incident, see there is a edit application. So we can just click here and see what is present here. See, as we click, so this application menu is coming. So it is showing title is incident, and there is a different modules are present there. So see, here is it is written the role ITL, SN incident, height DS. If these types of role are present, see, this is a custom role. I have added this. Initially, when you see in your instance, it will only present these two role. So if I provide these two role to the user, he has the access of this application. And if we go and if we select this module, so here you will also see we have provided ServiceNow itself provided two role, ITL role, SN incident right role. If this role is present, user can see this module. What does mean see? Let's go to again to the application menu. In the application menu, if you read this, restrict access to the specific role. What does mean by? Restrict access to the specific role means if we want to restrict this application, we need to provide this role. Otherwise, all user can view this application when it is active. When there is a no ACL, when there is no role I will provide, user can see this. User can only see this. User can only view this application menu, not the data. So what I am trying to say, if I remove this role, any active user can see this, but because this is out of box table, I will not touch this table. I will create a new table. Okay. So I have already written some pre-notes for that. Let's go to the notes. So see, I have written in the service now, the left panel is called application navigator, and you show the applications and module which user can see which application or module is controlled by the roles. Simply as I told you, like which user can see which application and module is controlled by the role. It is the official definition of ServiceNow that application and module is governed by the role, and which user can see which types of data, tables, record or field is controlled by ACL. We will see this later. So as we see this role control the visibility of application. Okay, so I also mentioned where we do control this application. I told you we need to go to the application and we need to check the assign role to that application. For the menu, same as it is, we need to go to the module and we need to check the assign role to the module. Now, what we will do, we will create a one application student management, and we will create this student list, create a student and exam and result. Okay, just copy this and back to this PDF. Now I will type sysdb object. See what will happen. See, no, this is a table where we can create a record. In this, I will give this name student management. As soon as I will give this student management, yeah, I can create this module and I can create this, but I will just like uh, uncheck it and I will just copy this backend name and I will save. So as soon as I create a table, there will be automatically a six field is created, and there is four already ACLs are present there when we create a table. So this is very important. You need to understand like what happened when we create a table. So here I will write first, when we create a custom table for six field automatically created, and for SCL also created. See, and one role is created. So whenever we create a custom table, these three things will handle by ServiceNow itself. But let's see, oh, we can go to any ACL and we can check. See, one right ACL is created on this table, and this role is assigned to that user. So what I will do, I will just copy this role and I will put here. So this role is created by ServiceNow itself. So what I will do, as I told you, like just just I will go to application menu, and for that we need to go application. Okay, see, in if you go in the application, we can configure the application. Just click on this and we can create the application here. Just click on the new and we will write, please let me check. I think I have done some mistake. See, I have created, I have opened this application which is related to CMDB, but we need to open the application related to this ITSL. For that, we need to go in, first we need to type application, and we need to go in system definition, then we need to click application menu. As soon as we come here and just check all how many applications there are, around 240 applications are present in ServiceNow. Now we will create one application and I will provide the name of here. So mainly I will just copy this student management. See, I have provided a student management and I will just save it. Now in this I will create a module. So for that I will click on the new and I will check what kind of module we need to create. For that here is it is written like student list. I will copy this and I will put here as title. In this application menu is already selected and we can select the order. First I will select 100 and I will not provide any role in this module also. I will just save it and see after before after saving, like it is asking something like this is link type, means mainly what we need to show on this module. So for that we will select on list record. So we have to select list record and we need to select a table. Which table we have created? The table name is student management, u underscore student management. As soon as we select, we can save it. But before that, we need to understand what is the link type. So I will write here some notes so that you should remember and you should explain in the interview. So to create module, we can go to system definition under application menu, then we need to go in related list of page application menu and create and create module there. So here while we creating the module, like uh, how when we create a module inside application, so we must choose link type. We must choose link type. It is mandatory. So what link type means? So link type means, see, like when user click on this module, what should happen? Where should ServiceNow take the user? Mainly, it will decided by the link type. Like when user click on this module, what should happen and where it should go. So it will decided by link types. So here I have shown this list of record. What this my means by list of record means, it will open all record of incident, like as we do in as we see in incident table. When you open the incident, just go incident, we can see create new. All this all is nothing but list type. So what we will do, so we have written student list, okay, and we have given the link type and we will just save it. Okay, no, I will not provide any role here also. No, we will create another module, that is what should I create? It is a create student. Okay, no, I will just replace this create, and I will select the link type, which will be a create, that is a single record. To create a record, we can use single record. See this new report. Yeah, we can select the single record and we will just insert and stay. No, we will create a one again, a result, and for that what we can just see, two application module is enough. Let's just refresh this application menu and see here we have created our own application menu, and in this application menu we have provided these two roles. Okay, create student, this is just provide numbering, and I will provide 200 for that order, which is very important. No, let's come back to, before that we need to save this also. Do not forget this. No, come back to ServiceNow and see this. While just refresh this, again it didn't save. Whatever happened, just leave it, and we will type student And see here, we have created this application, and this create student is one module and student list is another module. Just click on this. As soon as we will click, we will redirect to this page. And as soon as we click on student, create a student, we will redirect on this page. But as we do not have created any record or any like field, just we will go to configure on the form layout. We will create some dummy field. For that I will just use color, and I will use reference, and I will select this user. So just go and select user and give add assign to, add this, and I will add email, which is string type. Where is the string? Okay. Now I will select description, which is also string type. Sorry. Okay, no issue. Just let it be. Okay. And I will add some location. It will be a reference type, and for the location I will use CMN under location. It's better to use department, CMN department, and I will change location to department. Okay, and I will select teacher name, and I can select one string only, because see here our main focus is to check how field is working. And just I will split this, and I will add, see how split is working. From there it will split, and this teacher in split will work. Okay, just save it and see this. Okay, see this. Now I will add some dummy data. Okay, and I will use assign to, and I will select department, and I will select Rahman, sorry, and I will select test one. Just I will save this. Now I will add teacher name Chetan, and I will add some random xyz at the rate email, whatever. I will add some name, and I will add assign to, and I will add test to. Just save, insert it. Now I will go to this application and see, when we click this student list, just delete this all. Just refresh this. As soon as I refreshes this, this is coming, and but there is a problem, why this field is not coming. Okay, so we need to go and we need to check this, and just move all here and just leave it. Okay, see, all the field is coming here, that is we have created. No, so as you I hope you got how we create the module and how we can create the application. So there is very important things come here, that is related to how we can give this access to the user. For that, mainly we define the role. Okay, so just give me 1 minute, I will come back and then I will discuss this.